Samsung has applied for a Galaxy Note 9 trademark in Colombia, together with trademarks of all of its recent smartphones there. The date stamp on the filing says March 12th, and, while we are still a few months away from the actual announcement, this is the first tangible proof that a Note 9 is coming, straight from the horse's mouth. It's happening, Samboys. Galaxy Note 9 trademark application filed up, in Colombia. From Colombia to the USPTO it's only a stone throw away, but when Samsung files on US soil, we will know that the unveiling is imminent, and will inform you accordingly. As a reminder, the Note 9 is expected to sport the 6.3 display of the Note 8, with the brightness and covered glass improvements of the S9 and S9 Plus displays. On the chipset part, expect Snapdragon 845 and Exynos 9810 again, 6GB RAM, and the dual camera set is very likely to be pilfered directly from the S9 Plus, along with the fingerprint scanner. Overall, the only expected surprise is the battery capacity, but that won't deter S10 fans worldwide to line up for Samsung's upcoming Pivot, provided that the company prices it in a prudent manner, like it did with the Galaxy S9 here in the States. Source: TMDN via galaxyclub.nl